During phase 1, students will enter the housing portal and select Renew My Housing on the home screen. Select the academic year of 21-22 and select Apply. Review your personal details and contact information, updating all the required fields. Once finished, click Save and Continue. You'll also have the opportunity to select living learning programs for returning students if you would like to. On the Living Style Preferences page for returning students, this is where you can let us know if you need something specific or just prefer something in your housing. Anyone needing extended living or private room may use this form to get in line for those things, which will be given on a first come, first served basis during renewal. Please update all of your roommate preferences so that you can match with other students when it's time to form roommate groups. Please enter a brief description of yourself so other students know who you are and what you like. Next, you can search for your preferred roommate by screen name or search for any roommate that matches your profile. Creating a roommate group is optional. If you wish to bypass this page, simply click Save and Continue. Finally, read the terms of the housing contract thoroughly and make sure that you understand everything. Once completed, use your WKU ID number to sign your contract. Most students will have the option to renew to your current bed for the next academic year. We call this squatting in your room. To squat in your room, select your current room on the same hall, same room page. On the next page, you can assign yourself to that bed space. And finally, complete the confirmation page. If you like your room and are good to go for next year, then really there's no need to participate in phase 2. However, if you wish to shop around and look for other halls, you will receive a room selection time slot for phase 2. If you cannot renew your bed, meaning your room wasn't eligible to squat in, simply click Continue. You have reached the application complete next room selection page, and you will be included in phase 2 and can choose a room at that time. Between February 26th and March 5th, housing staff will assign the students who completed phase 1 to a room selection time slot for phase 2. If you have any questions, please reach out to your hall director, the housing staff, or review our web page.